be drawing a butterfly with a flower. So the butterfly needs to be up here more. We'll start with the head. And you make kind of this curved shape where it gets smaller down there. And then another curved shape like this. And then another curve like this. Maybe a little thicker right here, a little thicker right there. Cute. And then the antennas, you can make it like a curve too. So there's one. Here's the other one.
So most of them aren't connecting.
Yeah.
Like they're close to it, but
yeah, the lines aren't joining up. Okay, and for the wing, we're gonna draw a curved line up to here. And we can thicken up lines in a little bit, we're just getting it. I'd go a little higher. Okay, and then curved line like this, and don't worry, we're going to do another curved line a little thicker right here, and then it comes in. Very nice. And then let's thicken up these curves a little bit. So this one we could do like thicker right here. And that way it looks like it's thinner at the point and thicker on the curves.
oh, touched.
That's okay. All right. And then inside the wing, you're gonna wanna do that shape like that. And then that goes to there. Then you could do a curved line right here. Cool. And then we're going to draw one curved line here, and then another curved line here. Come down. And then comes up like that, and then in like that. And then thicken this curve up a little bit. And this curve up. Nice and thick right there. And then we want a curvy oval, kind of like a jelly bean shape down there. And then we want a curved line, that and that. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to do pretty much the same thing, just in reverse. So we're going to come up and out like curve it down like that. And then another line, curve down and over. This side way bigger. Oh well.
Well, it could be tilted.
Yeah, that's true. Good point. And then this line comes down like this. And then down like this. And it meets back up here. And I have them meet up, but you don't have to. You can have it go further.
Yeah.
And then a jelly bean shape down here. And then kind of that hook shape up here. And then a line that curves here and goes down to here. And then another curved line over here. And then I'm going to thicken this line up just a little bit. And then I'm going to thicken this one up too on this curve. Now, one more curved line right here. Then I'm going to thicken this one on this side. Then I want to thicken this one and this one. All right. Ooh, yours is beautiful. I love yours. Okay, so now we're going to draw a smaller butterfly that kind of shows that it's further away. And it's going to be in the background here. So we're going to draw a little dot right here. And then two little antennae. And then the body. And then we're going to draw a curved line up. This. And it comes down. Like that. Good. And then right underneath it, we're going to draw that shape. And then it comes back up and meets up. All right, now we can add some stripes in there. So I'm going to put them down first and then I'm going to thicken them in a second. So we're going to do 3 stripes in there and then 2 in here. And then we also want to do the background wing. So you do a line up. And then it comes down like that. Okay, so now we can thicken up like this line. We can thicken it up even more. And then these ones, you start them thicker up here and then they'll taper in. So they're thicker right there. And then this whole thing, we can thicken up more down here. And then this can go a little longer if we want it to, kind of like that. Cool. So now we can draw some decorative lines that go up. Kind of shows movement. I think it would also look cool if we did some of those down here.
Mm.
And then like this.
From this?
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
It's nice.
You can also draw like some extra lines up here if you want. All right, so now we're going to draw a flower down here. Okay, so following our theme of swirls, we're going to do the inside like swirl. So we're going to do it like this. And then like this. And you can like thicken up this curve. And I thicken up this curve. Okay, so let's start with the frontward facing petals. So we're going to come down. And then you can do like little shape like that. I don't know how to describe it. And then come up here.
It's like an N.
Yeah, and then it comes down and meets up. And then next to it, we can do a curved line going this way, and then it tapers in that way. And then we're gonna come right here, and we're gonna come over and point. Okay, and then we're gonna come up here, and we're gonna come over, curve it down like that. And then we're gonna come over here and have it come to a point. Cute. All right, so we've done 3. Now we're gonna come over here and curve it down that way. And then just a little curved line to meet it up. Are you liking it so far?
Yep.
Good. Now let's come over here. And we're gonna curve this one like that. I'm liking yours. And then come right up here and meet them up at a point.
This.
Cute, I love it. I like your style. And then this one, we could do it more pointy, like that.
It's like a witch's hat.
Yeah. Very nice. And then this one, like that. And then it comes up, like a little notch, and then down. Cool. All right, so for these ones, you're gonna be able to see it out here. So do like your little notches there. And then come down like that. Down like that. Okay, and then this one, we're gonna curve it this way. Come to a point over there. And then come back. And then we're gonna fit in that last space, the last flower. Petal. Cool. And now you can add some lines in the petals if you want. Where they start thicker near the flower and then get thinner.
Oh, it looks cool when you don't let them touch it.
Oh yeah, some little ones next to it. I like that. Oh, and they don't touch the inside, you mean? That is
Yeah.
cool, yeah. That does look good. right, so now we're going to come right in here in between these two petals and draw a stem. Yeah, and you don't have to do a perfect stem if you don't want. It can be however you want. Yeah, you could do one side thicker, yeah.
I'm trying to add shape.
Mm-hmm. That's cute. All right, what do you think? All right, now we are gonna watercolor. I hope you had so much fun drawing your butterfly with us. You don't have to use watercolor to color yours. You can use whatever you've got, and feel free to pause it right here to look off of ours. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time.